Yajurveda Upanishads. Bridging Ritual and Enlightenment. The Yajurveda Upanishads, emerging from the ritualistic tapestry of the Yajurveda, offer a transformative journey from external rites to profound spiritual insights. This article delves into the distinct characteristics, themes, structure, and contributions of the Yajurveda Upanishads. By exploring these texts, we uncover the profound interplay between rituals and the pursuit of enlightenment within the Vedic tradition. Brief overview. The Upanishads, considered the crown jewel of Vedic wisdom, delve into the deepest aspects of existence. The Yajurveda Upanishads, arising from the Yajurveda rituals, provide a unique perspective on the synthesis of rituals and spiritual inquiry. These texts bridge the gap between the ritualistic practices of the Yajurveda and the philosophical inquiries that lie at the heart of the Upanishadic thought. Distinct characteristics. The Yajurveda Upanishads are distinct for their connection to the ritualistic practices of the Yajurveda. They transform the symbolic acts of the rituals into platforms for spiritual exploration and realization. These texts emphasize the transition from external performances to the inner path of knowledge. The Brihadaranyaka Upanishad and the Essay Upanishad are notable examples within this category. Themes and structure. The central theme of the Yajurveda Upanishads is a journey from rituals to spiritual wisdom. These texts explore the allegorical interpretations of rituals, connecting them to deeper cosmic and metaphysical truths. The structure often includes dialogues, discourses, and contemplative reflections that unravel profound insights. Harmonizing ritual and spiritual inquiry. The Yajurveda Upanishads harmonize the outer practices of rituals with the inner quest for knowledge and self-realization. They emphasize that rituals, while essential, are stepping stones toward the ultimate goal of understanding the nature of reality and the self. These texts guide seekers toward transcending the external to discover the internal. Pursuit of self-knowledge. A central teaching of the Yajurveda Upanishads is the pursuit of self-knowledge, Atma Vidya. They assert that true liberation is achieved by realizing the oneness of the individual soul, Atman, with the ultimate reality, Brahman. Through self-inquiry and contemplation, seekers unravel the illusory nature of the world and find liberation. Contributions and legacy. The Yajurveda Upanishads play a pivotal role in reconciling the external practices of the Yajurveda with the inner quest for truth. They contribute to the philosophical heritage of India by bridging the gap between rituals and self-realization. These texts inspire seekers to go beyond the ritualistic actions to the deeper dimensions of existence. Relevance today. In a world seeking spiritual understanding and a holistic approach to life, the Yajurveda Upanishads hold relevance. Their exploration of the connection between rituals, self-inquiry, and liberation offers insights that resonate with contemporary individuals striving for a balanced and meaningful life. Conclusion. The Yajurveda Upanishads stand as a testament to the transformative power of knowledge and contemplation within the Vedic tradition. Through their exploration of rituals, spiritual insight, and the path of self-realization, these texts illuminate the interplay between external practices and inner illumination. They remind us that the ancient rituals of the Yajurveda are not merely outward actions but gateways to profound spiritual insights that continue to guide seekers on their quest for truth and liberation.